There's always a worry of having things go to waste in the world. If you want to know how to change old things into new with our DIYs, thanks for joining us on Ready Set Viral. Let's get into it. Number 1, a new use for a shirt. If you have a t-shirt that you're no longer going to wear, we have the perfect DIY for you. All you have to do first is cut the sleeves and the neck area off right below the seams. Once you're done that, you can sew around where you've cut if you'd like. Then, flip the shirt inside out and sew at the bottom. Once you're done, flip it right side up and you'll be able to use this as a little tote bag. Number 2, DIY coaster. If you have some old cardboard laying around, first get a little square of that cardboard and go outside and grab some sticks of around the same sizes as us. Grab one stick and hot glue it on one side as well as the one adjacent. Then, glue them all in a row like so, and finally finish it off with the other end. Once you're done, you'll have the perfect coaster, especially for an outdoor patio. Number 2, a new use for a rubber ducky. If you want a brand new use for it, all you have to do is cut it open like so and make sure the inside is all clean. Once you're done, you can hot glue this part of the rubber ducky to the back of your phone case and it will be able to be used as a pop socket. Number 4, a new use for a basket. For this one, you're going to be turning a basket into some sort of lamp. All you have to do first is get the light bulb and the wire that you're going to be using and trace out the size of the light bulb onto the bottom of the basket. Cut out that hole, and once you're done, place the light bulb inside and you can now hang it up and plug it in. It'll look like a fantastic lamp / chandelier in your home. Number 5, using your tires as a table. First, get the tires and some rope as well as some hot glue. Starting from the inside of the tire, hot glue the rope all around until you reach the bottom of the tire. Once you're done that, get a circular piece of wood and hot glue this to the middle of the tire. Then, once you're done that, place both of the tires on top of each other and get a glass pane in the same circular shape, and with some LED fairy lights inside, place it over top. It'll be the perfect table for your living room. Number 6, a new outfit out of a t-shirt. If you have an older, oversized t-shirt that you want to revamp, first, cut right under the logo if there is one, or cut the t-shirt in half. With the bottom half, get an elastic and place it onto the edge. Fold it over and sew it inside, like so. Once you're done, pull the string so that the elastic bunches up and tie it off and cut the excess. You can do this with the top of the t-shirt as well, so that you now have a full outfit out of one t-shirt. But anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!